Hi friends, in today's session we will see how to create AWS Free Tire Account. So for that, let's go to our browser and in the Google type AWS Free Account. So, so AWS Free Tire Account. So we are going to create a Free Tire account. So click on the first one. Now you will be navigated to this page. So here you are having a create free account button will be there. So click on that. Now so you will be landed into create AWS account page. And if you look in here, so which is a 12 months free account and where you can use EC2, S3 and DynamoDB. So like that, your AWS provides several services. So you can use all of them with free of cost. And if you are using beyond the free of cost, so you will be charged minimum. So here you need to provide your email ID and password, confirm password and account name. So now I'm not going to create. So I'm showing the how to create your AWS account. So that's why I'm giving some dummy email ID. Great. Gmail.com. So this is my this is my email ID. So if your email ID is already existing, so when you tab out, so it will says that your email ID is existing. So select the unique one. Now password. So, and confirm password. So I have given the password. Now password is according to the standards. That's why I'm not getting any exception, so any error. So now your account name. So what account name you want to specify? So specify that one. So whatever the account name you provided here will be displayed at this location when you log into your AWS account. I'm giving tested AWS account test underscore AWS ACC. So now this is my account name. Continue. So now when you click on continue page, so you will be landed into contact information page. So your contact information will contain all the required details. So contact type, sorry, account type. So it's a professional or a personal. If you are using for your own purpose, then it's a personal. And whatever the account name you specified, that will be your full name and your phone name something 700. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So dummy name I am giving, sorry, dummy phone number I am giving, and country. So India, I, India, and address. So Hyderabad, HYD, Hyderabad, city also Hyderabad. Now, so everything is done. So here I have provided my personal information. Here I have provided the dummy information because I'm not going to create the account. Just I'm showing the steps. So if you are creating the account, please provide the required details. So and account type, you need to select personal and after that, so here you need to select this one So select this checkbox and create the account and continue. So now here you need to provide your credit card number. And if you look into this payment information, this is your payment information. And so here, so when you give your credit card number, so for validation purpose, it has to validate, right? So 2 rupees will be going to deducted from your credit card, and after 3 to 4 working days, the amount will be reverted back to your card. See, 2 rupees will be deducted from your credit card. So please provide your credit card details here and provide the credit card which is belongs to you, because sometimes if you are using your AWS account beyond the free limit, so you will get some bill. So that amount will be deducted from the credit card provided here. Sometimes you will get 100 rupees, sometimes you will get 50 rupees, sometimes you will get 150 rupees bill per month, or sometimes you will get 500 rupees also. If you are not terminating some instances, so then it so AWS, even though you are not using those instances, if you are not terminated those instances, then AWS is going to charge you. So like that, you will get some amount, minimum amount bill. It might be a 50 rupees, 40 rupees, or 30 rupees amount, means bill will be generated. So that bill will be deducted from this credit card number. So here you are providing the credit card number, right? With that credit card only, it's going to deduct. So give your own credit card number and your credit card expiry date and name on the credit card. So here, if you want to provide your PAN number, yes, or else you can go for no also. If you have a PAN number and if you want to give PAN number, go for yes. I don't want to give PAN number, means I don't want to share my PAN number, then go for no. And after that, validate. So from here, I'll show you the screenshots. So here, first page, and this is second page, your personal information, and after that, your credit card details for the payment option. And after that, once you click on this, so once you validate and add, when you click on this, so from here, once you click on this, so you will be landed to confirm your identity. Here, so here you need to provide your phone mobile, means mobile number, and what is the way you want to verify. So either it's a SMS or a voice call. So according to your requirement, please select the radio button, and after that, whatever the security check here display, please enter it here and click send SMS. Nothing, just enter your phone number, and after that, enter the security check in the below text box, and after that, send SMS. So whatever the mobile number you have given, right, for that mobile, it will send the SMS. And here you need to validate that. So whatever the code, 4-digit number has been sent to your mobile ID has to be filled here and validate. Now you will get this page. Your identity has been verified successfully. And after that, click continue. Now after that, you will be landed into this page. So here, please select the free tire. Click on the free tire. So what type of support plan you are looking for? So free. Select the free button, and after that, you will be landed into this page. So your AWS account is created. So now if you look into this, so click it here. Now you will be, it will redirect to login page. So please log in with the email ID and password you have used. So initially we have used some password, right? So let me go here. So whatever the username and password you have provided here initially at the create page, means create an AWS account page. So same password user means your mail ID and password you need to give it here. So here, once you click it here, so it will redirect to login page, AWS login page. So there you need to provide your credentials. What of the email ID and password you have provided, you have to give it. And after that, you will be able to log into your account. And after that, a mail will be triggered to your mail ID like this. So validate your mail ID, and after that, your account will be activated. So, and this is your billing details. So once you log into your account, so how to see your billing details? So go to your account. So here every month you will able to see how much amount you have, means you have used your AWS account, means how much charge has been done by your AWS people for your account. And this is your, these are the services provided by your AWS. So here EC2. So if you look into this, so EC. So these are computing services, these are storage services, and like that it will provide different services. These are security identity services. So here n number of services is provided by your AWS. So this is the way you need to create the account, AWS Free Tire account. So the account will be free for 12 months, and after that it will not be free, but you won't get much bill. So, and one more thing is, if you are using some services, after using those services, assume if I'm using EC2 instance or S3 bucket or RDS, means data AWS provides database related services also. That is called RDS. If you are using RDS services or storage services, once you use those services, stop that service and terminate that service. If you are keeping that service idle, so after some time, if you are thinking that I stopped that service, EC2 instance I have stopped without terminating, if you are logging out of your account, is AWS account, after some time, that service will be automatically restarted by your AWS. And you, even though if you are not using, the service is running, so you will be charged. So once you're done with your practice, so if you have created some EC2 instance, or if you created some S3 bucket, if you created some RDS instances, or if you created IAM rules, so once you have done your practice, whatever the things you want to do, once you have done it, please stop the service and terminate the service. So don't keep it in a stop mode. Terminate the service. If you are keeping it stop mode after some hours, so the service will be automatically restarted and you will be getting some surprise bill. So to avoid that surprise amount of bills, so please terminate the services once you have used. So hope this video is helpful. Thank you.